promise you, it will make a big difference in how your hips feel and your low back feel. It's called the 90-90, and you'll kind of see what I'm talking about when I kind of get down into the position. But this helps work through internal, external rotation of the hip. It's going to help stretch and open up those hips. It's also going to help activate a lot of those deep hip muscles to help stabilize ourselves as we go throughout our day. Okay. And so what you'll see first, you get down on the floor, you can see how this front leg here is at a 90-degree angle. Knee is going to be in line with my belly button. And then this back leg, if I hold my arm straight out, this thigh should be in line with that arm. And then this back leg should be at that 90-degree angle too. You need to be very, very specific with how you set this up before you continue. I really like it because the first position, what you're going to do is you're going to lean forward here. And you'll notice you'll get a pretty nice stretch through that left hip or the hip that's down kind of out in front. And so what I like to do is I like to hold this for about 30 seconds. Okay, that's going to be step one. Step two is what you're going to try your best to do is sit up as tall as you can. Sometimes you're going to be leaning. You might get some cramping in your hips as you go through this. Completely fine. That's completely normal. Straighten the leg, reset, continue. Okay. What you're going to do next, sit up as tall as you can, and you're just going to hold this position, trying to make micro adjustments. Ideally, you have your belly button in line with that front thigh here. And again, you'll feel a nice contraction through kind of that inner thigh area. Might get some cramping in that outer glute area, up into that lower back as well. And so if you need to feel like you need to lean, kind of play around with it, do that, okay? But I like to try and hold this for about 30-ish seconds as well. And then this next kind of final step is where a lot of the magic happens, because we're activating these muscles in a new range of motion that we have now after we kind of stretch the different areas.